Recording Artist 2026. Congratulations! Kurt Galendez! Congratulations, Kurt Galendez, for winning Most Promising Recording Artist 2026. Sir Benz.
Wait. Ano ba't ako naiyak?
This is we have been waiting for para sa isa sa inyong mga kapatid na makilala sa world class. Thank you so much WCEJA. Most outstanding composer, most outstanding recording artist, at most promising recording artist, Kurt Galendez. Siyempre, Sir Benz, Kurt Galendez won as Most Promising Recording Artist of the Year 2026 sa kanyang song na Hanggat Maaari. Yan po ay kinilala ng World Class Excellence dahil napakaganda ng tinig at napakaganda ng interpretasyon ng ating R&B prince na walang iba kundi si Kurt Galendez. Congratulations mula sa Yabori Music Records. We are so proud of you, Kurt Galendez.
Hindi ako makapagsalita. Yes, of course. Kurt, ano ba yan, Sir Lee? Ba't ako naiyak? Itong ano, ano ba yan?
At
Wait lang,
syempre,
Sir Leon.
Sir Benz, habang di po makapagsalita si Sir Benz, Kurt Galendez would like, we would like to know you that you need to come here